to a new video of Harvest Mystic World.
As you all know, today is Mother's Day.
And we wanted to give our mum a special treat. Making a special breakfast for her.
So come join us to see how to make a spectacular breakfast.
I will be making fruit skewers. I will be making banana cookies.
And I'll be making the most trending Tortilla wrap.
Let's start it. I hope that your mum loves these treats too.
To all the mums out there,
Happy Mother's Day! A mother gives you endless time. Her love will always shine. All the special work they have done, they are even cheeky and fun.
we love you with all our heart. You are kind and gentle and pretty smart. You help me when I'm on the floor. Light shines when you walk through the door.
You're gentle but very strong. I feel like I always belong. You give guidance whenever I ask. You're the official, your master each task. You taught me right from wrong. You sat with me from nights so long.
From your head to your toes, you smell like a luxury rose.
Thank you for the million things you gave me.
You always look like a beautiful blossom tree.
You wipe away all my fear. Your heart is like a diamond, crystal clear.
To see more fun, learning and educational videos,
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. For forward, bye.